Now you guys want a present early?
Yeah.
Okay, now you can open it.
Yeah.
Whoa! I got really?
A little cup. What's up with that? Tell Mama there's something kind of stupid there. Joey got a roll.
Wow, what'd you get, Joey? What are you going to do with it? Wow, what are you going to do with it?
Summer, what'd you get? A pen?
Let me eat it.
What are you going to do with it?
Here's Summer. Summer.
Joey, you like it?
Summer here.
Why?
Summer.
Give me a different one.
Oh, man.
Summer.
Give me a different one.
Summer.
Give me a different one. Can you go to some different ones?
Why?
Hi.
Don't you like it? Why not?
Come on.
What do you want,
I
Landon?
want a different one.
Huh?
That's a
I
funny
want a
present.
different one.
You don't like it?
No. I don't like it either.
Why not?
I want a different one.
Well, what's wrong with it?
I got a cup.
You guys ain't happy?
No.
Well, why not?
You don't want you to take it.
I want
You don't like it, Joey?
a different like that.
With a unique dual-action head, removes up to 70% more plaque in hard-to-reach places.
You don't like it?
Give them something to really
No.